The Holden Commodore is a true Kiwi icon. Its combination of muscular performance, good looks and practicality have endeared it to generations of New Zealand motorists. This vehicle is New Zealand new. The petrol power plant produces sparkling performance. This vehicle has a fuel saver rating of 3 stars. The automatic transmission is very smooth, making your drive enjoyable and stress-free. This vehicle is equipped with ABS brakes, which allows the driver more control of the vehicle with the ability to brake and steer at the same time in an emergency situation. Your safety is top priority, which is why the vehicle comes with dynamic stability control, traction control, ABS brakes, reverse sensors, engine immobilizer. This vehicle boasts air conditioning, tinted windows, power steering. For more details, please contact the seller.